Alright guys, Ralph and I are in Dubai. We are going to look at AI Universe today.
I'm excited.
Yeah, what do you think, Ralph? Do you think it'll be as cool as they showed online?
Oh, I hope so.
I hope so too.
Wow, that's fun. It feels kind of good in here. It's almost like you're getting a little massage or something.
Yeah.
Oh no, you're sinking, Harry. Wow, it's like when I go to the ultra-wide camera, you can almost not even see anything.
Yeah.
I guess we have to do the one times, even though it's a little blurry.
Whoa.
Wow, Harry, I don't know where you start and the balls end. Where I don't know what I'd say.
either.
Wow. Here you go.
So, Ralph, what did you think of AI Universe?
Oh, it was amazing. They had a ball pit. The ball pit was my favorite. They also had kind of a dance club room, and that was maybe my second favorite. But yeah, it was pretty amazing. Fun place.
I haven't been in a ball pit for a very, very long time.
Yeah, me neither.
All right, guys. Well, I think you'll have a great time at AI Universe. Take your time here, have fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Check out these links to some of my other videos. Feel the burn for Bernard's World. Take care, everybody.